Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to send email with expiry date in your Gmail. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to send email with expiry date on your Gmail account, then I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you have to log in your Gmail account in your Chrome browser or any other browser. After logging, in left side you will find compose. Just click on this compose. Mention any one of the mail ID, write the subject and write the matter whatever you want. Below you can find this lock icon. Just click on this lock icon. Here you can see set expiration. By default it is selected as expires in 1 week. Just click on this drop down menu. You can select whatever you want. You can see expires in 1 day, expires in 1 week, or 1 month, or 3 months, or expires in 5 years. Suppose if you want to set the expiry date as a 1 day, just select this, then click on save. You can see here content expires on Feb 4. Today is Feb 3 and it will expire on February 4. After typing this, just click on send. That's it guys. So in this way you can send a mail with expiry date in your Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.